In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your HubSpot deal pipeline. We'll cover everything from renaming and reordering your pipelines to managing and customizing deal stages. We'll also explore how you can personalize the board view to better display the properties that matter most to you. So, let's get started. First, let's dive into accessing and managing your pipelines. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account and locating the settings icon. From there, navigate to Objects, then Deals, and finally, select Pipelines. Here you'll see the Select a Pipeline drop-down menu. This is where you can choose which pipeline you want to customize. If you'd like to rename a pipeline, locate the code icon to view its internal name. From the Actions drop-down menu, you'll find the option to rename your pipeline right there. Additionally, if you want to change the order in which your pipelines appear, simply drag and drop them to your preferred sequence. Moving on to managing deal stages, it's important to note that this flexibility allows you to tailor your sales process with accuracy and detail. To add a stage, scroll down to find plus Add Stage, where you can enter the stage name and set a default probability. If you ever need to rename a stage, just click on the stage name to edit it directly. To reorder stages, just drag and drop them until they're in the desired order. If a stage is no longer needed, simply hover over it, click Delete, and confirm your choice. Should you wish to edit deal probabilities, click on the probability value next to the stage to adjust it. HubSpot even offers reports to help you fine-tune these probabilities based on your historical conversion rates. While you're adding or editing stages, remember that you can also customize the stage properties. This means selecting which properties are visible when a deal moves into a particular stage. Now, let's take a look at customizing the board view. Within the Deals settings, head over to the Record Customization tab. This is where you can choose and add properties to display on your deal cards in the board view. Customizing these settings ensures you see the most relevant information at a glance, helping you keep track of all your deals effectively. Lastly, consider the additional customization options available to you. HubSpot lets you set up rules that automate certain actions or restrict movements between stages based on specific conditions. This can streamline your workflow and ensure your pipeline functions optimally. You can also move individual records between stages or pipelines, either by dragging and dropping in the board view or by editing the record's pipeline and stage properties directly. Plus, adjusting your forecast settings to align with your deal stage probabilities can greatly enhance the accuracy of your sales projections. That wraps up our tutorial on customizing your HubSpot deal pipeline. With these steps, you'll have the flexibility to align your sales processes with your team's specific needs, providing better insights and efficiency in your sales strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!